Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. The gentleman sent me another little video of what he's doing. He did exactly what I did about taking this color separation away. And I kind of thought that was the problem, but this evidently is the problem. If you can see that on all of his corners, he has lines that go past his colors. So now I finally figured out what's going on. Let me get these just out of the way. If we will grab all that and take your left mouse button and double click on your pen tool, his is set where the centered outline, center of the outline, so it overlaps equally on the inside and outside of the object. Well, if you pick either outside or inside, it should solve that problem. So we're going to go outside and hit OK. And those excess lines disappear. Now they're really, the polygons that are sharp and thin, the line's taken up. So I don't know if he's printing this or what, but if you could always go double click on your pen tool and I don't know if a hairline will print, but you could go a little bit thinner line and then your polygons will be more equal getting down to the corner and perfect. Now, just to show you, it doesn't really, I don't think it matters if you go inside or outside. We'll double click. And this time we'll put it on the inside, but it's going to have more, because it's on the inside, it maybe looks a little bit better. You know what? Let's do this. Let's compare those. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and move this over. So that one is done that away. This one we're going to put on the inside, or really it says outside, but I always think of it being inside. And that's pretty sharp. This is the thinnest one that goes to right there. And the thinnest one here goes all the way down. So you would want to use the one we did first, if that makes everything more equal. I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.